Zoho One versus Zoho Books, which is more worth it? Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to compare and tell you about the pros and cons of Zoho One and Zoho Books. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Zoho One is a complete business suite that includes CRM, finance, marketing, HR, and automation tools. It is designed for businesses that need an all in one solution with seamless integration between different applications. Zoho One is cost effective for companies that want multiple tools under one subscription. However, it can be overwhelming due to the number of apps included, and some advanced features may require additional setup or customization. Zoho Books, on the other hand, is a dedicated accounting software that focuses on managing invoices, expenses, tax compliance, and financial reporting. It is a great choice for small to medium businesses that need an easy to use accounting solution. Zoho Books integrates well with other Zoho apps, but does not offer the wide range of features that Zoho One provides. It is more affordable for businesses that only need accounting tools, but for those requiring a full business suite, Zoho One may be a better investment. So that's basically the main differences between Zoho One and Zoho Books, which will help you in choosing the right one for you. So that's all for this video.